In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 search bar missing. If you've looked down at your taskbar and noticed the search bar isn't there, don't worry. This usually happens because Windows is set to show only a small search icon or to hide search entirely. The good news is you can bring the full search box back in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect on your screen. First, look at the taskbar at the bottom of your desktop and point your mouse to an empty space on it. Avoid right-clicking on app icons or the clock area. Right-click on that blank area of the taskbar. A small menu will appear directly above your cursor. This context menu is your quick doorway into all the taskbar's customization options, and it's the fastest way to fix a missing search bar without digging through multiple settings pages. From that menu, click Taskbar Settings. When you select it, the Settings app opens to the Personalization section, specifically the Taskbar page. This page controls what appears on your taskbar and how it behaves. Take a moment to glance around so you can recognize it next time. You'll see headings for things like taskbar items, taskbar behaviors, and, most importantly for this fix, search. Now, find the Search section. You'll see a drop-down menu that controls how search appears on your taskbar. Click that drop-down. It typically offers choices like Hidden, Search Icon Only, and Search Box. To bring back the full search bar, choose Search Box. As soon as you select it, the change should apply immediately. No restart required. You'll see the long search field reappear on your taskbar, ready for you to click and start typing. If your Windows 11 build uses slightly different wording, just pick the option that explicitly says Search Box, not Icon or Hidden. That ensures the full bar shows up instead of the small magnifying glass. And that's it. You've restored the Windows 11 search bar by right-clicking the taskbar, opening Taskbar Settings, and in the Search drop-down, selecting Search Box. This quick adjustment not only makes it easier to find apps, files, and settings, but also keeps your workflow smooth if you rely on search throughout the day. If you prefer a cleaner look later, you can always come back and switch to the search icon. But when the goal is to fix the missing bar, Search Box is the option you want. Thanks for following along, and enjoy having your search bar back where it belongs.